Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day. So I'm practicing recording on the camera and not my phone, because I heard over the sun him have my phone. Let me see if we can zoom all the way in. Nope, not picking up. That was a fail attempt. But yeah, it's Friday night. I'm editing. It's now 5:24. Of course tonight I'm on the show, so I'm gonna try edit before that, so after the show I can relax. I just really want to use that time here for shows out some very loyal subscribers. Not that the other subscribers aren't loyal, you know, because I have a solid 600 people who come back every Sunday to watch my videos, and then through Vlogmas now, those who can watch right now are actually watching, and I am so grateful. But yeah, thank you so much for watching every day. As I said, no hard feelings to those who cannot watch right now, because Vlogmas is tough even for the viewers, because I'm me alone at the Vlogmas, so people have multiple videos that they need to watch, right? And then me, I drop one every day. So you know, I just want to thank you guys so much for coming back every day, and thank you so much for watching. So as I said, I'm gonna finish editing this video. I need to shut down my work laptop and just get ready for the evening. Hi. You know you can't say all the things to the camera?
The camera. The teeth.
Say hi. Hi everybody on YouTube.
Teeth.
Hi everybody on YouTube.
Teeth.
No, say hi everybody on YouTube.
Hi.
On YouTube. Hi everybody on YouTube.
Hi. Cheese.
Hi guys.
Cheese.
Hi guys.
Bye.
Guys, do you remember the Peppa Pig books that I bought Zaire the other day? One. The one in on the cover.
Two.
What the rest of them there? No idea, right? Guys, we are back at the Christmas market. There's Holanda. Here is me. I don't even know how this looks. There we go. It's windy. It's very windy, guys. So windy. We were a bit late because basically everybody on the move around at the yard. Well, them a lock up. What did I hear that?
People have decided that.
The place is windy.
Another night.
You wanna say hi? Say hi, guys. Cheese. So we're at the Christmas market. Christmas market. Yeah, guys. It's very windy, and oh my God. You alright, Rhonda? Oh wow. Done unhooked. Even the Okay, guys. 1 second, please. Say hi. Say good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good night, everyone.
So guys, we're home. It got pretty windy outside.
Where from?
And it got pretty cool. Somewhere, but the back of my head not show. I just did a show.
Okay, it just show that.
It never shows.
Sure.
Anyways, guys, I take off my ear cause yeah, I'm reach him. It don't need to stay on much longer than that. We're trying to have some quiet time for Zaire. Drop asleep again, cause him end up drop asleep in the car while we head home. But him a fight it as per usual. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video of Vlogmas. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Now she is back again. Bye everyone. Cheese.